Hey everyone, it's me, Brett, over at Tom Dinsdale Trailer Sales, and I wanted to share with you a brand new line of trailers we're now carrying, Timpte. You're probably familiar with them. Being in Nebraska, we've got a lot of corn being harvested, and Timpte makes an amazing line of grain hopper trailers that are pulled behind semis. So extremely heavy duty, big trailers that they currently have been making that you've all seen on the roads. Now they're getting into the utility business with some flatbeds. You can see the couple we've got sitting here behind me. Got a couple more. We're installing some E-Track on them right now, just to make your life easier when you're trying to strap down equipment, cars, whatever you might be hauling on it. They're very unique, so I wanted to do a walk around to show you what makes them so special. Take a look. So here we have the Timpte 718 model. 7 is the GVWR, it's 7,000 pound gross vehicle weight rating, which is the weight of the trailer and content should not exceed that 7,000 pound mark. 18 is how long the trailer is. They all come in the same width depending on which payload capacity you have. So the 7s, these are going to be 81 inches wide between the fenders. If you go up to the 1020 or 1018 that we have, they're going to be a little bit narrower because you have heavier duty springs, so those will be 78 inches wide. So you gain 3 inches on this model. All aluminum construction. You have a 6-inch heavy duty C-channel tongue there. The toolbox, as you can see, is lockable. You've got your controls mounted to the outside, along with the voltage meter there, so you can keep track of your battery power. You've got the nicer Dimco hitch, the nice jack there with the wheel, so the trailer can be rolled a little bit easier when you're on your property. These trailers are all aluminum construction, like I said. There are no welds. Timpte does not weld their trailers. They are riveted, bolted together. This makes for a stronger trailer, a lighter weight trailer that allows you to haul more payload. You can see totally different design, deviates from your standard trailer. Your standard trailer would have an axle that spans across underneath the bed. These do not. Individual wheels here. The springs are mounted there underneath that metal platform. So each wheel is independent, and the trailer will pivot off of that. I'll show you that here in a second. You've got brakes on both axles, aluminum wheels as well. And then they've built in a 4-foot dovetail in the back, as you can see. That's gonna allow this trailer to have the best approach angle in the industry. This is a 4-degree approach. Significantly less than all the other trailers in the market that I'm aware of, which can mean if you got a scissor lift or another piece of equipment that's hard to get up on a trailer that you're blocking currently to get up there, this one won't need it. Sports car with the splitter on the front, like a Porsche, new Corvette, this will get up there, guys. We've got 5 feet of E-Track that we've installed on each corner, so you can strap those tires down. It comes with 4 D-rings. They are removable, so if you're concerned you're gonna get a tire puncture, that can twist out, come off of there. There's pins that will lock each of these wheels so that the deck cannot tilt when you're transporting the trailer and contents. And then you have the groove in the rail. You can hook things to the side of the trailer. Sorry, it's not focusing well with the light reflecting off this beautiful aluminum. But let me show you here what's inside the box. Each of the trailers will come with a couple keys, unlocks the box for security. Inside, you've got your winch, you've got your battery pack, and there is going to be a electronic shutoff switch. We're going to turn that to the on position. Every trailer is going to come with its own remote. Clips to your visor like a garage door opener would. And you've got your buttons for operation. As you can see, we're lighting up down there, showing us the voltage. And if I hit the down button, got to make sure we unlatch the wheels. They're not unlatched, it's not going anywhere. So you can either hit the up and down button there, or we can do it from the remote. So I'm lowering it down. And there we are on the ground. So you can see an extremely low approach angle, unique way of achieving it. The winch inside that box is connected to those cables connected to each wheel. There's a suspension that's now exposed. And how easy is that going to be to load your sports car or whatever else you got? The remote will allow you to get it back up to the flat position before you even get out of your car, or if you've got somebody else helping you out, or you can just hold the button down. Come on in, guys, take a look at it in person. If you have questions, call the dealership, 308-382-4662. Ask for trailer sales. We're happy to answer any of your questions. Love to show you this new product. We think you'll love it. Give us a call, guys.